Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So this vlog will be based on my journey, which I'll be doing from Shillong to Guwahati and then from Guwahati to Jaipur and from Jaipur to Mumbai. So एक ट्रैवलिंग का व्लॉग बना देता सोच रहा था क्योंकि I'm traveling, I have some work in Mumbai. So मैं वहाँ जा रहा हूँ अभी. So I'll be leaving at night around 2. My flight is in the morning at 7:30. So शिलोंग से गुवाहाटी तक टाइम लग जाएगा. प्लस मेरा भाई इसको छोड़ना है, ड्रॉप करना है गुवाहाटी पे. सो उसको मैं ड्रॉप करके आईएसबीटी में, गुवाहाटी का आईएसबीटी में इसको छोड़ के ड्रॉप करके मैं वहाँ से फिर मैं एयरपोर्ट के निकल जाऊँगा. सो इसीलिए आई थॉट लाइक व्हाई नॉट टू गिव मेक अ स्मॉल इंट्रोडक्शन. सो बने रहे मेरे साथ. आपको मैं जगह का पूरा मैं वीडियोस दूंगा एंड आई जस्ट अपलोड इट एंड शो यू कि शिलोंग से गुवाहाटी का जर्नी एयरपोर्ट में कैसा रहेगा और फिर एयरपोर्ट पे जयपुर तक, फिर जयपुर से मुंबई तक. सो stay tuned and I hope you like this video. Keep watching. So this is Khanapura's flyover. Look at the development. This side is Meghalaya. Okay. And this side is airport 30 kilometers. From Khanapura to airport is 30 kilometers. So this is Guwahati bypass. Road that goes to other states. So we have reached Guwahati ISBT where I'm going to drop my brother. I'm going to see him off. So ये हूँ मैं और ये है मेरा भाई. I'm going to say goodbye to him for now. और मिलते हैं साथ फिर बाद में. और बाल भी बहुत ख़राब हो चुके हैं अभी. और ये है. सो I'll see him off now. Say bye to the audience.
Bye.
Yeah, I'll see you. Then I'm going back to airport and see you there. And keep watching. Hello guys. So I'm गुवाहाटी एयरपोर्ट. बड़ा केस हो गया, सीन हो गया. मेरा जो फ़्लाइट था आपका गुवाहाटी तो जयपुर मुंबई, तो वो कैंसिल हो गया. ठीक है. तो मुझे उन्होंने रिशेड्यूल कराया नया फ़्लाइट पे जो है रात का 9:30 बजे. एंड दे आर टॉसिंग मी एयर इंडिया का आपका जो है स्टाफ्स, दे टॉसिंग मी फ्रॉम वन कॉर्नर टू अनदर. जैसे वी कैन डू दिस नॉट. तो मैं चेक इन भी नहीं कर सकता. दे आई कैन नॉट एंटर द सिक्योरिटी चेक इन. आई कैन नॉट गो इन स्टे इन द लाउंज एंड रेस्ट देयर. सुबह को घर से 2 बजे निकला था और अभी तक मैं बस बाहर ही खड़ा हूँ बिना कुछ खाए पिए. जाओ तो जाओ कहाँ, बस वही चल रहा है मेरा. सैड लाइफ, सफरिंग लाइफ. सो नेक्स्ट टाइम नेवर बुक टिकट्स इन एयर इंडिया. आई एम टेलिंग यू, इट्स pathetic service. I thought Indigo is bad, but Indigo is better. At least they will provide you something. No compensation, nothing. The flight is delayed more than 14 hours now. मैं रात को फ्लाइट 9:30 का, मेरा सुबह का फ्लाइट था 7 का. सोचो कितना डिफरेंस हो. 14 hours difference. And they are like, they don't pay any heed. They don't give, they don't give shit about your passengers suffering. So this is the thing. Look at the airport. It's empty. I don't know what I'm going to do now. So anyways, flight is at 9. Now it's just 11. हाँ, क्या करूँ यहाँ पे, मक्खी मारूँ क्या? एयरपोर्ट का बाहर जा भी नहीं सकता. Bad. It's really bad. So, piece of advice: never book in Air India. Miss suffering. Bad. Stay tuned for the next updates. Okay guys, they have provided this meal to me. Sandwich, one cake, one juice, and sauce from Air India because of flight delay. Imagine how it's gonna be. The difficulty I'm facing. And I don't want to go out also. Again, another headache if we go out. So let's see. So anyways, sometimes you have to face some difficulties in life. That's how it is. Okay guys, so I'm here in lounge, Guwahati Airport lounge. So I'm starting with this lunch. I was like really hungry. They have biryani in the menu, then this fried potatoes, then this chicken, what do you call this? Manchurian, I think, yeah. It's a chicken Manchurian. And this one's paneer gravy, and this is breadcrumbs. And then they have some more. I'll take one after another. It's good. I was really so hungry, but now I'm okay. Then on, I got pasta, then pulao, then soup, which I didn't take it last time, and same chicken Manchurian. Okay, so guys, there's no one now. I'm the last person who's walking slowly. क्योंकि अगर आगे रहता तो यार बहुत लोग नोटिस करते हैं यार ये कैमरा मेरा हाथ में लेके जाने के लिए. So I'm still trying to take the vlog. And it's 9:30. That my flight was in the morning at 7. Imagine that I had to wait 14 hours almost for the next flight because they rescheduled the flight. It was cancelled, and still there are a lot of hustles and bustles. Finally boarding the flight, and this time luckily I got in good seat. I got in front 2A, and you can see the crowd there. Look at the line. But I'm bada pura hai, so I had to go. Why have been so hurry? So meantime, I can just like think. So I spent a good quality of time in the lounge room, in the lounge, and I had good food. I had good lunch. I had a good dinner, and last was the black coffee. I got this window seat in the second row. So finally my place my seat, and it's so back. So anyways, here I do stay. I'm in the flight finally after the long day suffering. So, I hope the weather is fine and smooth. We'll take us smooth again from Bangalore. So then, watching. I reached Bangalore Airport, International Airport, T2. So my next flight is at 1:44 departure from here. So again I have to change the after again check in again, security check in, everything from the beginning. I think 4 times I've done this one. Once, twice, three times. Damn hectic, damn hectic. So look at this airport. It's pretty nice, it's beautiful. Yeah, upgraded this airport. I think it's one of the best in India now. One of the best, not the best, but one of the best, or maybe the best. The color, everything has been changed, upgraded. Damn. No, it's spacious. Baggage to claim exit. Damn. Look at that. It's like it's in kilometers. You can ride a bike here at full speed. Oh, look at another function. Oh, look at this two chapris. The front one. You have been a clown inside the flight also. Okay guys, I'm here in Bangalore Kompegada Airport. See, look at the airport. Look at the airport. They have make marvelous structure. Look at this. Astronauts, the screens. Commendable job. Structure of elephants. Look at the screens. How big they are. Like per screen will cost around like in I don't know how many lakhs and crores they have spent in these screens only. Look at the screens. I think it's one of the best in the world. I was saying one of the best in India. Actually, it's one of the best in the world. Impressive walk, you know. Impressive walk. So I have a connecting flight. I have to go to transfer. I just decided to capture this area, the belt. My bag won't come here because we directly go to my destination, that is in Mumbai. So keep watching and I'll keep on taking some more stops here in Kampagwada International Airport. Stay tuned. Okay guys, मैं T1 पे आ गया. T1 का ये कन्वेयर बेल्ट पे जहाँ पे दे अनाउंस्ड जो वहाँ बैग्स आने वाले, लेकिन मेरे तो बैग्स डायरेक्टली मुंबई जाएगा, तो वहाँ पे आके मैं क्या करूँगा. पता था कि मेरा ट्रांसफ़र यहाँ से होगा, लेकिन आई चेक माई टिकट्स. माई ट्रांसफ़र इज फ्रॉम T2, domestic transfer. So I have to go back to the same place I came from. So I think arrivals में जाके है to go to okay one on the left for 60%. Nice. Which side will open? I think it will open this side, yes. Oh, is it upstairs of the go or where? Departures. Okay. Again I have to go up. Okay, let's go up. It's pretty big here, this airport. Oh guys, look at that. Look at that. Damn. Architecture is different. It's a different level. Look at this, guys. Damn. This is something to show. This is something to make vlog for. Oh, impressive walk. Very nice. Very nice. I think it's made of wooden or I think it's not made of wooden. What is it made of? Oh, it's made of bamboo. That's bamboo. This is bamboo. I think inside there is metal and the exterior part is bamboo. Just hold on, guys. Okay guys, so this is the departure of international airport, domestic departure. Look at the structures in front. These are bells. I mean, what architecture है यार? Who have given these ideas? I don't know. Marvelous engineering. One of a kind. So these are the ticketing sections. These are the ticketing counters, and I have to go to security check-in. So now I'm going for security check-in. यहाँ से अंदर जाना पड़ेगा. वहाँ से मैं आया, यहाँ से वापस आना पड़ेगा. So let me just sit here for some time. I'm through. Now I'll go for security check-in. I think these are real plants. These are all real plants. Yes, it's real plants. How they're maintaining here? They have to keep the whole the environment suitable for these plants to grow. They cannot just like plant it like that. Yeah, things touch with soil. Look. See, there is. Oh, they have used some bags, and inside the bag there is thing. I think it contains some moisture. It isn't allowed to go. Wow. So here will be security check-in. Okay, there's the vlog here. So I'll stop the vlog here and I'll continue later. Okay guys, I've done with my security check-in. They have new system here. तो पूरा शूज़ उतारना पड़ता है. They don't scan you with hands. You know जो वो स्टिक लेके नहीं करते थे वो स्कैनिंग, वो प्रोसेस नहीं है यहाँ पे. So they just like scan the whole body, but you have to open the shoes. वो एक मशीन के अंदर आना है. So वो मशीन ऑटोमेटिक सबको स्कैन कर लेता है. You don't have to. I mean the CISF they don't have to do with hands. एक मैनुअल है जो इस तरफ है, दिस साइड, जहाँ पे आपको शूज़ पहन के आ सकते हो, और उस तरफ है आपका जो पूरा टोटल ऑटोमेटिक स्कैन भी पूरा बढ़िया कर देता है. So look at this place now. The concept is like it's very brilliantly they have conceptualized everything here. See, ये आपका desert का thing है, desert का plants, cactus. Okay, these are different breeds of cactus. Okay, different species actually. So they have aloe vera. These are all desert plants. Look at this cactus, how huge it is. And these are all real plants, They've imported from, I think, Middle East. Everything is real here, nothing is fake. Look at this. I think these are palm trees. Okay. They should have mentioned the names, so that people could read it. यहाँ पे क्या है? Department of Archaeology, Museums and Heritage. अच्छा, bronze size, various sizes. अच्छा. Okay, they have given in Kannada also. Okay, these are all made of bronze. This one, Anjaneya, bronze, 20th century. Okay, this one is Madanika, 20th century. देखिए, this one is Rama, 17th century. Okay, these are antique pieces, 18th century, Rama. One, 11th century, Chandrasekhara. Okay, look at this. And here, Vishnu, 16th century. And this one, Manikya, Bachakar, 13th century. Those centuries they have made all these things. Rama, 20th century, bronze. This one, Devi, Shri Devi, bronze, 14th century. Okay. This one, Chandrasekhara, 19th century. This one, Anjaneya, 20th century. Hanuman, they call Anjali Putra. Ramanuja, 18th century. This one, Ganesha, 19th century. Okay, these are the Hindu idols, gods. Shri Devi, Devi, 14th century. Okay. A lot of things to discover. I thought like what I'm going to do in 1 hour or 2 hours later. You have a lot of things to do here. A lot of things. Just discover the whole place. Discover the plants. This greenery. Okay, that's beauty. This boss. Bronze advertisement. The bronze Mont Blanc. That's Tim Hortons. Big, huge, just huge. So these are just some international brands they have here. Arabica coffee serving 100%. अगर अभी कॉफ़ी पी ले तो हो गया फिर. वैसे उस टाइम कॉफ़ी पी कर नींद नहीं आ रहा था. अभी तो फिर और भी. So these are the departures. This area. Okay guys. So this area is for departures. Domestic departure, international होता है. But this is international airport. You can have a domestic departure होता है. ठीक है. I'm trying to cover whatever things are possible. ठीक है. And I have covered I think from the beginning. जब से मैं एंटर किया हूँ मैं. तो I'm here now. Swarovski, Rosewood Gang Park, Kitchen and Bar. Commendable walk. Trust me, it's nice. Come for. This is perfume. That's for perfumes. The bag. That's for jewelries. And this is all women's international beauty products. It's gonna be expensive. Expensive. This class. So this is the area. Even the sitting arrangement is quite fine here. Zooms on watch too. Okay, these are this is the area for. I mean, of course, showrooms तो नहीं है. चलो, keep watching. So the place I'm in now, ये आपका this all showrooms, outlets of all international brands. ये पूरा, ठीक है, even from here. So let's go and see what's there. और इस तरफ आपका वो जाता है गेट्स. इवन हियर ऑल्सो यू रीच द गेट्स. अब मेरे गेट्स कौन सा है मुझे चेक करना पड़ेगा. इट्स 1:15 माई. आई थिंक विल बी बोर्डिंग सून. लेट मी चेक द गेट्स फर्स्ट. नहीं तो मेरा फ्लाइट ही मिस हो जाएगा. मेरा ऑलरेडी बोर्डिंग हो रहा है और मैं यहाँ पे आप लोग को एयरपोर्ट का शेयर कर रहा था. अभी चेक किया तो माई गेट इज D2. इस रात दिया और ऑलरेडी बोर्डिंग हो चुका है. एंड आई थिंक आई विल बी द लास्ट पर्सन अगेन टू एंटर. ओके, जस्ट स्टिल बोर्डिंग. सो लेट नहीं हुआ है. और तो लेट हो जाने से फिर मेरा अभी लगता है बम्बू फ़ोन करते क्योंकि आई हैव ऑलरेडी चेक्ड इन. सो फ्लाइट तो छोड़ के जाएगा नहीं. सो एनीवेज still having some more energy. But trust me, this time I'm really over exhausted. पर एनर्जी का वाट लग गया पता है. सो गाइस, मैं कन्वेयर बेल्ट पहुंच चुका हूँ. एंड दिस इज हाउ मुंबई एयरपोर्ट लुक्स लाइक. दैट्स द कन्वेयर बेल्ट नंबर 13 जहाँ पे मेरा बैग आ रहा है. हमारा बैग आ रहा है. तो दिस इज द बेल्ट. ठीक है, यहाँ पे मेरा बैग आएगा. सो एनीवेज, आई होप you will enjoy this video. You have enjoyed this video, you like this video, and please do show love and do like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon. And I'll try to come with more contents in future, with more improvement in my vlogs, with more improvements in the audio, and more improvements in the video as well. So keep watching, keep enjoying, have a great day and have a great life ahead. Take care, bye bye.